Hello everyone and welcome to my review of the Bachmann N-Scale Baldwin 280 Consolidation. And I just picked this up a couple days ago and it has really cured my Kato GS4 wound blues. This thing is a great locomotive, has amazing detail, runs perfecto. No issues with this one. It's nice to have some light steam. That's something that's really lacking in, as far as DC goes, current productions of steam locomotives, is there's not a lot of light steam out there with any decent detail. So, yeah, this is really great. Has working headlight, flawless operation, forward and reverse, very slow speeds, which I will demo in a minute. And I got this in Frisco, number 1345. And here is the case it came in. Pretty large jewel case. Then focus there. Barely. There we go. Okay. So yeah, pretty beautiful locomotive. I've noticed between the only other Bachmann steamer I have is my 262 Prairie, which any of those familiar with that model doesn't have much detail, no headlight, nothing going on with it. This, however, is a completely different story. I don't know if you can capture this on camera, but the coal has an actual glisten to it, like real coal. Really nice detail they did on this one. So let's get her going here. Reverse. Here's one of the slower speeds. Not too much resistance, it's pretty good. Definitely way better than my Kato GS4 could pull off. Good looking locomotive. Not the best layout to show it off on because I got some tunnels going on here. So I'm going to run it around, speed it up through the tunnels, get around to the other side so I can show you the headlight. Not the brightest headlight, but it's refreshing to see a headlight on some light steam for N-scale. Alright, so I'm going to back it up here and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. A big issue I have with my other light steam locomotives is pickup, where this up here, this Kato 15-degree crossing is probably the most finicky crossing piece of Kato track I've run across. My Prairie 262, which only has pickup on one of the tender trucks, At slower speed stalls through that. Anything with a smaller footprint on that particular piece of cutout track, because of the insulation going on in the middle there, has issues. This locomotive, I've run it up there. It has zero issues on there. I just want to show it on the lower part of the larger radius here. This locomotive can handle 9-inch radius. This inner radius here is 9-inch. The outer is 11. I ran it all night there last night. Had no issues. And so let me take it off the track. The detail is very, very nice. It is DCC ready, although you guys know I'm DC only. It has the speaker grills in the tender there, ready to go. The pickup is from 6 of the 8 drivers. The let's see, which ones have the... 2 of the drivers have traction tires on them. Yeah, the ones with the eccentric connection there, I believe the... Let's see if I can point it out here. Get my finger in there. The 2 from the back there, those 2 right there have traction tires. The other 6 drivers have electrical pickup, and all 4, maybe I'm wrong on that, I think all 4, let's see, both tender trucks, yes, both tender trucks have electrical pickup. So pickup is not an issue on this thing, and it does not stall whatsoever or have any issues through that 15-degree turnout. So I'll show you the detail here. Everything is modeled, the pop valves, the reverser. See if I can get a focus there. Everything is there. Look how fine the wires, the rails, whatever those are on the side. I'm really impressed by how fine those are. Nice detail. So yeah, the Bachmann 280 Consolidation. I know the consist I'm pulling here with these passenger cars is not quite prototypical, as I believe these were known for pulling freight back in their day, and I'm still going to continue looking for freight cars, box cars, that sort of thing of that era around 1920s, 1930s. But for now, this is what I'm pulling. So thank you for checking out the video, and I will catch up with you soon with something else.